Oh, akala ko ba sabi mo walang mga ATM machines sa Japan? Well, in this video, you'll know why there are no ATM machines in Japan. At pag-uusapan din natin kung ano ang RAS syndrome and find out if you are one of the diagnosed people with that kind of condition. Please continue watching this video, don't forget to like it, and subscribe to our channel for more quick but helpful English lessons. Hello there again, people, and welcome back to our channel. Ayun na nga, pag-usapan na natin ang RAS syndrome. Have you heard about this before? Or first time mo rin na marinig ito? Anyway, i-define muna natin para kahit papano magkaroon tayo ng idea tungkol dito. RAS syndrome is a diagnosis for anyone who adds an extra word to the end of the common acronym. Siyempre, hindi pa natin masyadong naintindihan doon. So, isa-isahin natin. Let's start with the word redundant. It means exceeding what is necessary or normal, or yung using more words than necessary. Example, repeat it again, na dapat repeat it or say it again. Another example is ask a question, na dapat ask something or say the question. At ang commonly used na like for example. Like alone can be used to give examples. Hindi mo na kailangan idugtong yung for example because for example means the same. It's either you use like or for example but not together. In 2001, the term RAS syndrome was first discussed by Stanley Newman, a writer of a New Scientist magazine. This was also mentioned by a Reader's Digest editor in 2018. Here are some of the common acronyms or initials related to RAS syndrome. And if you have more to add, feel free to comment down below your answers. See? Sabi na walang ATM machine sa Japan. Ang meron lang, ATM.
Please insert your passbook or card. Is being processed. Please take your card. Please ask a clerk's card. Please wait. Your transaction is being processed. Please take all your items.
Now that the issue is cleared and settled, let us now avoid saying, I forgot my PIN number when I went to the ATM machine. Instead, let's say, I forgot my PIN when I went to the ATM. Okay na ba? Naintindihan na? But wait, there's one last note. Did you notice the irony of the acronym? That's right! RAS syndrome stands for Redundant Acronym Syndrome. It is itself an example of RAS syndrome term. Ikaw, do you also suffer from RAS syndrome? Comment down below your reactions and don't forget to like this video. See you for more quick but helpful lessons next time. Bye!